Hi, hello guys, welcome to IAS Expert YouTube channel. Today we will share you the most important topics for UPSC Prelims 2021. Please remember that we will include 30 important topics in each part and there will be around 20 parts so that you will get 600 important topics for UPSC Prelims and we will cover it in total 10 days. This is the first part. Before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for latest video updates. And let's start with today's topic. The first one is Punch mission. Punch mission is launched by NASA. Please don't go into the detail, just read by whom it is launched and how it helps in scientific research. Second one is NMICPS, that is National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber Physical Systems. Just read by whom it is launched or implemented and what are the main objectives and aims of this mission. Second one is Parker Solar Probe. It is launched by NASA. Just go through the topic. So, TRACE mission is launched by NASA. TRACE, Polar and Punch both are related to solar. New Space Technology Limited is related to the commercial arm of ISRO and wholly owned by Government of India. It also helps in production of PSLV and GSLV. Just go through the main important points related to the New Space Technology Limited. Blue Flag certification. Recently, 8 beaches in India are certified by Blue Flag. Just go through the name of organization which gives certification to the beaches, names of Blue Flag beaches in India. Then BS6 norms. Yeah, this is an important topic. Just go through all important points like content, sulfur percentage and etc. Then Suraksha portal, it is a web portal related to the human and elephant conflict. Then this is the most important topic, that is Kazan farming, this is a type of farming done in Goa region. Then air quality forecast models. Just go through instruments like Salem, Enfuser, WRF, Chem. These are air quality forecast models. Then GPAI, Global Partnership on AI, Artificial Intelligence. So like go through like members, important aims and objectives of GPAI and India role in GPAI. Next, National Super Computing Mission. Just go through important points like how many institutes are participating in this mission. Recently, Param supercomputer got 63rd rank in top 500 supercomputers in the world. Just read regarding Param supercomputer and institutes implementing National Supercomputing Mission. Next, Kazi 106F. It is a only golden tiger in India. Just go through like Tiger Park, in which this golden tiger is located. Then Chief of Defense Staff. This is another important topic. Just go through the powers of CDS, and relation between Army, Navy and Air Force with CDS and role of CDS. Commonwealth of Independent States. It is related to the USSR. So just read important points and members of Commonwealth of Independent State. Next, Quad. Members and agreements related to Quad. Data Governance Quality Index. It is a type of survey and conducted by DMEO and Niti Aayog. Definition of MSME. Recently, Finance Minister has changed definition of MSMEs. So go through definition of micro enterprises, investment limit and turnover. Small enterprises, investment and turnover. Same, medium enterprises, investment amount and turnover amount. So we may expect question related to investment and turnover of small, medium and micro enterprises. Next, NEP. Please completely go through this topic. Like education system, enrollment percentage, etc. Every point is important in this topic. National Education Policy. Next one is National Digital Health Mission. Just go through who is implementing this mission, objective of this mission, and aim. And next is NRA, National Recruitment Agency. Just go through which recruitment boards come under this NRA and how many times the test will be taken annually. Just go through the topic. Next, Indian Ocean Commission, the members. Just remember the numbers. Next, winter diesel. What is the importance of winter diesel in cold areas and other physical and chemical properties of winter diesel. Next, ILO chairmanship of India. Recently, India chaired International Labour Organization. So just go through the how many times India has chaired ILO and the chairperson of ILO. Next, Tulip Initiative. Recently, Ministry of Human Resource Development, HRD. Recently, HRD and Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs jointly launched Tulip Initiative. So just go through the objectives and ministries involved in this initiative. Next, syngas. Just go through how it is produced and applications. Application of syngas. Next, ocean world status. Recently, asteroid Ceres dwarf planet Ceres got name of ocean world. Next, Minsk group. Recently, this group played important role in Armenia, Azerbaijan conflict. This chaired by France. Climate Smart City Assessment Net Framework 2.0, implementing agencies and objective of this framework, objective and aim of these frameworks. Next, just go through countries which signed Abraham Accord, and it is brokered by USA, UAE and Israel. Signed Abraham Accord, and please read also which Gulf and Arab countries recognize Israel as an independent country. These are the 30 important topics covered in part 1, and we will cover another 30 important topics for prelims 2021 in part 2. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.